What's going on, guys? My name is Kobe and
Hey Mo, what did one ass cheek say to the other?
What?
Together we can stop this shit.
Alright, first thing I try to do when I wake up early in the morning is always wash my face first. So I put this on. So yeah.
It's young girl and them motherfucking ladies.
Ain't no cash that I came out shady. But I walk in here with all these payments. Rapping work, then I'm back to the basics. I ain't racist, I fuck on all races. But I see you going places. Hopping and running races.
Alright, before we head out, y'all peep the fit. Let's see how we rocking. This is what I got from ThriftCon. I got these from, I think, Walmart. And then just ordered my shoes online. But yeah, we out.
You didn't turn it on, did you?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, the whole start about to be just shaking because I'm not holding that bit.
Oh, I thought you meant like shaking because you was about to throw that bit. Throw some. Yeah.
The camera didn't get it. It's so zoomed in.
Is it really?
It's zoomed in.
Scared the
So,
shit out of me.
you about to get some ice cream?
Are you for real? No, we about to. Y'all want that?
Why you not getting no ice cream?
I'm full off that damn
Sprite?
yeah.
You just said you was hungry.
I'm hungry for some food.
I did the night zoom in and everything, oh God. I'm really a cameraman, like.
I ain't getting no ice cream.
You need me to pay for something? I mean, you need to pay me for something? I seen your pictures.
I'll pay you later on.
Could you not?
What was wrong with that?
That's not crazy?
Would you like to tell the camera what you did today?
What did I do, man?
Oh, what do you do?
Today? Alright, so I was walking up, right? Because we had just seen this good looking spot to take pictures. And as we both seen it, we both said it at the same time. He was like, you in action, right? I said it all times I got my camera on me.
Valid.
He was like, you don't, but I fucking with how you were saying it. So
Valid.
as I'm walking up the stairs, he smacked me on my ass.
Yes, bro. It's so boosty. Hey, Miles Bridges is going down in history as one of the best dunkers. They hit the body every game. You don't think so?
One of the
Best dunkers?
best dunker in game, yeah. But we talking about best like
No, I'm not
best
talking about.
bounce.
I'm not talking about. Whoa, that's
There's
he's valid though. Like he's like
the heat that caught that lob.
okay. Listen, y'all. Okay, that's. But
Teach me something real quick.
Green is valid as fuck.
Go ahead, teach me something. Give me the whole rundown. I don't know nothing about cars.
We got what is this called? I don't even remember what it's called no more.
Hold on, they can't hear you. They can't hear you. Wait till they drive by.
You see, we got some nice cars out here. Know what I'm saying? I don't even know what the hell car this is for real.
Okay, okay.
We got some. We got fenders right here. You know what I'm saying? They really just they rap for no reason. They're not doing that.
Okay, okay.
We got this. I'm saying like. You know what I'm saying? They have this little hole in here for speed. You know what I'm saying? So you get faster.
Okay. This some Paul Walker shit.
Paul Walker shit.
This some Paul Walker shit, yeah.
We got rims that's regular, you know what I'm saying? But what is it? I don't know what rims is it, but them nice rims, they black, you know what I'm saying?
This was on the first Fast and Furious.
Some shit like that for real, I'm telling you.
I don't want to hear that. That's my opinion.
I mean, I don't disagree because What'd he do? What'd he do? He did some gay? And I missed it. What'd he do?
You should have caught him and fuck you like that, like what
Yeah.
like he do that, man.
Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Get a 360 on the ass.
Woo. Woo.